What's up, YouTube family? So today I will be giving you my live unboxing of these two fashionistas. Here we go. So, hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and unbox my new Fashionista Dolls. Hey Dream Dolls. I have been working all day for Amazon. So I want to just tell you guys, like, I know a lot of us collectors order our dolls on Amazon. Please make sure that you are showing your love and respect to the Amazon delivery people, because it is no freaking joke. It's hot, it's tiring, all that, okay? And I work for them, but I also order a lot of things on there too. But I never realized, like, how much work goes into getting those packages to us. Like, it's crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these now. So I got these two. I did order them from Amazon, mainly because I have Prime and it, delivery is free. So yeah, they were $10 on Amazon. And I know I posted 147, and I was saying her face looks very, very strong. And a lot of you were saying that you think that her face mold is the same as the girl with the braids on the side and the blonde. So, I have one that I rerouted, that I use for my, let me get her out, that I use for the pediatrician on our doll series. But I also have one that I have not yet messed with. So I wanted to open and compare these two. They absolutely do not have the same face. I thought that they did too, but they don't. Now y'all can tell me if y'all have seen a different face mold, but this face, that nose is not the same. Not the same. Yeah. Yeah, you don't have to give them anything. I mean, like for the grocery ones, you do get tips, but which is crazy because the grocery deliveries are so much easier than Amazon.com, and it's rough. Like I had literally had 50 packages to deliver, y'all, in 3 hours. It was crazy. So it just made me really respect the fact that a lot goes into deliveries for us. So we will open Miss 144 first with the braids. And I waited to open her so I could do it on live with you guys. I am in the middle of cooking though, so this live is going to be kind of short. But, so I do love her braids. They feel pretty much the same as the other braided Barbies. I know that, I think it was RBH had posted about her side part. Hey, Cosmo de Da. Hola. Hola, amiga. I'm going to take these out of her hair. Sorry, my daughter's going crazy. Yeah, she is beautiful. Now, what I noticed right away with her is, let's see if I can put the light on her so it's not. What I noticed right away on her is that her baby hairs lie a little bit above her part with her actual braids. I'm okay with that, but I probably will just fill that space in right there. I don't know if you can see what I'm trying to say. Maybe that light's too bright. I probably will fill that part in with some black acrylic paint and still leave her baby hairs the way that they painted, but it's just like a little weird gap here. And I don't know why they did that. And she does have them on both sides, which is really cute. Because that's something that I usually do on all of my dolls, is add the baby hairs, because it just makes them look more natural. Now, her face mold looks a lot like, the normal one that we've been used to seeing. Let me see if I have one I can compare her to. I'm in the middle of trying to organize this chaos of trying to, it's like, oh, here's my other one. Okay. Yeah, it's like a big kind of gap there. So I think once I fill that in, it'll look a whole lot better. And of course, I will post a picture when I do that. But and I found my pediatrician girl, so we can, when I open that other one up, we're really gonna compare the faces. But that is not the same face. I thought it was too, but it's not. Her nose is definitely different than hers. Where is my Bianca doll? I don't even see her. I literally just had her. And see, this is why I'm trying to organize my stuff, because this happens to me this happens to me like every freaking day, that I can't find one freaking doll, like every time. So annoying. Oh, shucks. Let me see. Where is she at? Okay, so Rosa Parks has the same face too. That's not Rosa. Where in the hell is my damn doll at? But y'all know what I'm talking about. This same face. She got the same mold. Her face looks a little bit different to me. I don't know. Maybe it's just the way that they painted her lips. Her lips look more full to me than they did on the other ones. But it might just be me tripping. So that's her. I love her shirt. She's curvy. You know, I'm probably more than likely going to rebody her with one of the wheelchair Barbie, articulated Barbie bodies. I like her slides. I will definitely be customizing those. I think they're really cute. Yeah. Her shirt is Velcroed in the back, Velcroed shorts as well. And I love her earrings. Super cute. So yeah, so that's her. 144. Now, 147. So I posted her earlier, and like I said, immediately when I opened up my Amazon box, I was like, she looks, and I hope nobody like takes this the wrong way, but she looks trans to me. And the androgynous, I hope I'm saying that right, the doll that has the like mohawky hair, she came with that same type of body, so I rebodied her. But if you know what I'm saying, like she came on this same body that kind of doesn't have, you know, her chest is not, she's like more athletic build, I guess you would say. But her face just, it looks, I mean, that's just my opinion. I think she's beautiful. I really do. But I'm wondering if they tried to slip that in there. You know, they always try to slip stuff in on us. She just reminds me, I don't know why. And so to compare the face mold that we all thought she might be, she's definitely not her. Those noses are totally different. Her nose is more pointed down, and like this is the one I customized, and this is the one not customized. And I hate how this light is looking. Maybe that's a little bit better. That's better. Maybe not. I don't know. Okay. So sort of looks like her, but not. We're putting them right beside each other. Tell me what y'all think. Did I get the one with no hair? No, I didn't get her yet. I'm going to get her, though. I just got these two because I'm trying to put myself on restriction until I get this stuff organized. They're way different. So this is, I think, a whole new mold. I've never seen this mold before. And like I said, the fact that she came on this same kind of androgynous type body makes me wonder if she was meant to be possibly a trans girl. You know, I don't know. I could be wrong. But just from straight out the box, like, that's what I thought. I think the one with the striped dress is a new mold. I think so, too. And that's pretty exciting. I think it's very exciting that we got a whole new face this time. We usually don't get that unless it's, you know, like a collector's doll. We usually don't get that. You got two? Good. Yeah, I think I might get another one just to keep in the box. This one's box was messed up, though, so I should message them and tell them maybe they'll give me a discount on the next one. But, yeah, she's very new. And she has the athletic build, just like the, what did we call her? The one with the jersey on, like her. I'm working on her lipstick. Don't mind it, the lipstick on her teeth right now. See, I flocked her on her side, so she looks kind of different than she looked out the box, but she came on the same type of body. Sure, yeah, I got you. You know, I'm Doll Township, I got you. Yep, you can say what to me. I got you. So yeah, so that's that. I just wanted to come on real quick. Like I said, I literally just got off of work and I'm so tired. I'm about to eat and chill, and then I'll probably come back play with my dogs once I get the baby settled. But I wanted to open this, especially after I got home and saw, because I was seeing all y'all's messages while I was driving, and I'm like, maybe it is the same face mold as the blonde hair girl, but it's not. It is definitely not. She is from Amazon, and last time I checked, they had a lot more of them on there. So, yeah, I love her shoes. I think they're super dope. I'll probably customize them and maybe paint the bottom white. Ooh, sorry. I'll probably paint the bottom of them white just to make them look like more real. Yeah. But she is on Amazon, and she is Fashionista 147. And I got Fashionista 144, and I'm definitely going back to get more, but these two were my favorite. I know I was scared to get these from Amazon, but I got lucky, and they both have good eyes. I'm so happy, because that happened to me with my Rosa Parks doll. Her eyes is, but I think everybody's Rosa Parks doll eyes is cocked like a pistol. Yep. But okay, so I will talk to y'all later. Let me get a shower and eat and put my babies to sleep, and I might go live again just so we can chit chat a little bit more, because I got some other stuff coming that is awesome. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Oh, one more thing. If you have a Dollar Tree near you, I found this awesome little skee ball, desktop skee ball thing, and I just put it together. Like, how cute is this? If you're like a miniature collector, this is so cute. For $1, but they only had one, so if I see more, I'll get more, because you guys know I love to share. I love sharing. But yeah, all right, so I will holler at y'all later. If you can, go ahead and get one. I would definitely get her, because if she is what I think she is, she's gonna be a collector, and definitely. I want to see if other people think that, you know, I know my purse too. But I was waiting for these. I had put some money aside for when these came out. And these two were my favorite from the line. Yeah, so. Alrighty. I will holler at y'all later. Bye, guys. Holla. And so I did end up doing a body swap. I did use the Wild Hearts Crew Corey Cruz Barbie doll body on her, and then this is just a comparison of the two face molds to show that they're definitely not the same. And I did go ahead and give her the wheelchair Barbie body, made to move body, and it fits her complexion perfectly. So let me know what you think about these two dolls, and follow me on I Dolled It on Instagram.